Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to search for jobs in Indeed on the basis of salary. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from your store. After you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to search for jobs, here you can see the search bar at the top. Tap on it. Now type in the job title that you are looking for. For example, I'll choose graphic designer. You'll see the list of jobs related to the job title keyword you just entered. Here you can see different drop-down menu lists below the search bar. Scroll it to the right until you find the option pay. Here you can see the pay option. Tap on it. Now over here, you can select the salary range you are looking for. Once you select your desired salary range, you can tap on this update button and the filter will be applied to the search results. You'll only see the jobs providing the salary based on the range you just provided. So that's it. That's how you can search for jobs in Indeed by salary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.